What it is, guys, it is Damien15, and I know it's been a little bit since I've made a video, but yeah, thought I'd take you on a little bit of my my high school fire alarm tour. And I know a lot of you have wanted to see the mechanical horns again, the 9838s, so we're gonna go over to the middle school side and we'll check them out. So to start off this little tour here of my school, I know this one's pretty dirty, but we've got a Simplex 2099 9754 and True Alerts. These are both pretty dirty, and I know some of you have wanted to see the 9838s on the middle school side, but there's also something else too. Not all of the pull stations are the 2099s. Oops, someone's pulling out a mat over there. This is a pretty long hallway. Another Simplex True Alert up here. And by the way, all these True Alerts, even on the lower level of the middle school, are fixed 15 candela. 2099. And a 425120. And there's the mechanical horns. Also for smoke detectors, we've got Simplex 2098s. Now, before I end the video, I just want to say, in certain areas of the middle school, they have the True Alarm smoke detectors. But I'm not going to be going over there because I got stuff to do over here. All right, and that's going to be it for the video.